Crochet this adorable chicken keychain in just 20 minutes. Quick, cute, and fun. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Craftsman. Whether you're brand new to crochet or you've been hooking for years, this little chicken keychain is just perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and makes the sweetest Easter gift. You'll need some medium weight yarn. I'm using a cotton-acrylic blend and a 2.20 millimeter hook. That's close to a USB one. Quick favor before we start, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Tell me in the comments, are you making this for Easter or just because chickens are too cute to resist? All right then, grab your yarn and hook. Let's start crocheting our adorable little chicken keychain. Let's begin by chaining 15. Nice and even, not too tight. Now, starting from the second chain from your hook, make one single crochet in each, 14 in total. That's your first row done. Chain 1 and turn your work. Starting right in the first stitch, make 14 single crochets all the way across. This is the rhythm you'll repeat. Once you get it, it's so relaxing. Once more, chain 1 and turn your work. Repeat what we did in the previous row. Simple single crochets all the way across. Work one single crochet in each stitch again, 14 stitches across, nice and even. Keep repeating these rows until your piece measures 30 rows tall. I'll speed through some rows here so you don't have to watch me do all 30. It'll look like a neat little rectangle when you're done. I've got 30 rows now, and the piece measures about 11 centimeters. That's 4.3 inches, just over 4 inches. At the end of row 30, chain 1 to secure. Leave a long tail for sewing. Cut your yarn, tie a small knot, and thread it through your yarn needle. Threading the needle is my favorite part. It means we're almost done with the base. Fold your rectangle in half lengthwise, so the two short ends meet perfectly. Make sure those edges line up nice and even. Use the stitches on both sides, and sew all the way down to the end, neat and even. If you're loving this project, hit that like button. It helps other crocheters find this tutorial too. Now close the top edge too, but make sure to leave one side open. We'll need that later. I've stitched two sides, the bottom edge and one side edge, creating an L shape. The top side stays open so we can stuff it and add details later. Now take your yarn needle and weave the yarn down through the stitches, moving from top to bottom, nice and smooth. See how neat that looks? You're doing amazing work. Next, I'll use yellow and red yarn. These will form the beak and the comb of our little chicken. We'll be using the stitched edges of our piece, right here and here. Insert your hook into the third stitch and attach your yarn securely. We'll start from here. Chain 3. Work 2 double crochets into the same stitch And that forms the start of the beak. See that little point forming? So cute already. Chain 2. And now, make a slip stitch into that same spot to finish the beak tip. Chain 2 again. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. Chain 2, and slip stitch to complete the second bump of the comb. Chain 2 once more. Now repeat the same steps in the corner stitch to finish the third bump of the comb. Chain 1 to secure. Cut the yarn. Now grab your red. This is where our chicken gets its personality. Join your red yarn to the top stitch on the opposite side. This will be the start of the comb. Chain 2, and we'll build from here. Into that same stitch, work 2 half double crochets. This creates the first curve of the comb. Chain 1 to secure. Cut the yarn. Back to yellow now. We're almost done with the details. Attach your yellow yarn into the next stitch. We'll make the last little detail now. Chain 3. In that same stitch, make 2 double crochets. Chain 3, and finish with a slip stitch. Lovely detail. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then neatly weave in all the ends through the back loops. All the details are done. Doesn't this look adorable already? We're so close. Once your ends are tidy, fill the chicken through the open side with about the size of a cotton ball. Plump, but not too firm. You want it soft and squishy? Perfect for a keychain. Now fold this part so it lines up with the beak area. You should see a little triangular shape at the top, with the beak pointing forward. Now, sew that edge closed carefully to finish the shape. Perfect! Your chicken is almost ready to go. Bring your yarn up to the top, right where the comb is. Thread it through the keychain clip's loop, then tie a secure double knot. Trim any excess yarn, and your chicken is officially ready to go. And there you have it. Your adorable crochet chicken keychain is ready. Look how cute that turned out. Such a sweet handmade gift. Or keep it for yourself. You totally earned it. If you loved this project, smash that like button. It helps other crocheters discover these easy tutorials. Hit subscribe for more quick and beginner-friendly crochet patterns. I post new projects every single week. Happy crocheting! And I'll see you in the next video.